Today we are going to be looking at the types of chemical reactions. There are several chemical reactions and we are going to look at them one after the other. But today we are going to look at the overview of these types of chemical reactions. The number one type of chemical reaction on the board is direct combination of component elements. When we talk about direct combination of component elements, is a type of chemical reaction in which the component element combine together directly in the presence of a catalyst to make a single product. Then number two, we have decomposition reaction. Now, a decomposition reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which a single compound is broken down into two or more other compounds in the presence of heat, and hence it is referred to as a thermal decomposition. Number three, we have double decomposition reaction, and this can also be referred to as a precipitation reaction. In a double decomposition reaction, two soluble substances are mixed together to make two other substances. Out of the two substances formed, one is soluble while the other one is insoluble. The insoluble substance formed, that is a solid, is what is referred to as the precipitate. Hence, the reaction is referred to as precipitation reaction. Number four is photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction is a reaction that cannot take place in the absence of light. So, light serves as the catalyst that speeds up this reaction. In the absence of light, this reaction cannot occur. Number five, we have neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is a reaction between acid and alkali to form salt and water. The acid and the alkali cancel each other to form a neutral substance, and that is why the reaction is referred to as neutralization reaction. Number six, we have oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction have several definitions, and so we cannot give a single definition to describe oxidation and reduction. So when we treat both, we are going to look at their definitions. Though oxidation and reduction always go together. In any reaction where there is oxidation, there is also a reduction reaction. So we say that oxidation and reduction reactions are complementary. Finally, the seventh type of reaction we are going to look at is displacement reaction. A displacement reaction uses the reactivity of the combining species. The species that is more reactive will displace the less reactive species, and hence the reaction is known as a displacement reaction. So, like I said earlier, we are going to look at each of these reactions with equations and several examples. So, I will want you to subscribe so that you can get the notifications for the videos of each of the type of reaction that we are going to discuss subsequently. So we meet in the next class.